Hi everyone, welcome to Moscan. So in today's video, we have been given one question is based on two-stage amplifier. So in this question, we have been given that there is a current mismatch between this MOS M6 and MOS M7. MOS M7 is working as a current source whereas MOS M6 is working as a second stage amplifier. So there is a current mismatch. Let's assume there is current flowing from this MOS I6 and current flowing from this MOS as I7. So it is a delta mismatch between these current. How this current mismatch will affect the offset for this entire two-stage amplifier. So we need to find out the value of input referred offset voltage for this only second stage amplifier, and also we need to find out the input referred offset voltage for this whole system, which is forming because of this differential amplifier and because of this single stage amplifier. And we also need to understand what consideration or what things we can take care of while designing this amplifier for MOS M6 and MOS M7 so that the impact of offset can be reduced. Alright, so let's start solving this question. So first of all, we need to understand what is the definition of offset. So if we talk about an ideal op-amp, usually in ideal op-amp, if we are applying the zero potential at both the inputs, so ideally the output should also be zero. But if there is any offset in the circuit, so what will happen? Even though you will apply zero input at the both the inputs of the op-amp, but still you will get certain value at the offset, and in order to nullify that certain value, we will have to apply some input voltage. Let's say 10 millivolt, 20 millivolt, something we are applying just to nullify this offset. That means we want to bring this output to zero. So in order to bring this output to zero, if we are applying certain voltage at input, that voltage will be known as input referred offset voltage. Now here in this question it has been given that there is a current mismatch between this MOS M6 and MOS M7. So if I talk about delta I, that would be equal to I6 minus I7. This is the current mismatch in the circuit. Now, if I talk about the output voltage which will generate because of this mismatch in current V out offset, that would be equal to delta I into R naught, or I can say R out. R out for this second stage amplifier, we can simply write, if you know the single stage amplifier concept, we can simply write is R06 parallel R07. This would be the value of R out. Now, if we replace this value here, so we can find out the value of output offset for this second stage amplifier, but we need to find out the value of input referred offset voltage for the second stage amplifier, as well as we also need to find out the value of input referred offset voltage for this whole circuit, that means which is a combination of this differential amplifier and this single stage amplifier. So first let's talk about the value of input referred offset voltage for this stage 2, which I am denoting as O2. The value of this would be equal to V out offset, which we have calculated, divided by the gain of this system, and that would be equal to A2. Let's call this as A2. So if I replace the values here, if you see, this value we already have calculated, this would be equal to delta I into R out. If we replace, that would be equal to R06 parallel R07, whereas E2, if you have to calculate, E2 can be written by GM6 into R06 parallel R07. If I cut it down, so basically I will get the input referred offset voltage for this second stage amplifier only, and that would be equal to delta I upon GM6. So if I apply this much input only at the input of the second stage amplifier, my output will become 0. Here I am assuming that there is no connection between this first stage amplifier, because if first stage amplifier is connected to the second stage amplifier, the input referred offset value will change, and that's what we will calculate now. But this, whatever we have calculated, is only valid if we are calculating the input referred offset voltage in isolation for this second stage amplifier. Till here, this should be clear. Now if I have to calculate the input referred offset voltage for this whole system, let's try to understand first through graphic. First op-amp gain is A1 and it is representing this differential amplifier, where the second stage gain is A2, which is representing the second stage amplifier, and this is V out. Now we need to calculate the value of this VOS offset, input referred offset, for this whole system. What will be the value of that? So the way we have calculated the input referred offset voltage for single stage amplifier, if I have to calculate the input referred offset voltage for this op-amp only, A1, which is by the way this differential amplifier, so the value of this would be equal to, let's assume the output here is V out 1. So the value of input referred offset voltage for this differential amplifier would be equal to V out 1 divided by E1. Correct. Now, since we are calculating the input referred offset voltage for whole system, we also need to consider the input referred offset voltage for this single stage amplifier, and whatever that will come, we will add that, right? Since we are calculating the input referred offset voltage for whole system here, so whatever we have applied, this formula will not valid anymore. This was only valid when we were calculating the input referred offset voltage for this second stage amplifier in isolation. We were not considering this is connected to this differential amplifier output is connected to this second stage amplifier. Now, since we are calculating this input referred offset voltage for whole circuit, in that case, the formula, or we can say the input referred offset voltage for this second stage would be equal to V out divided by A2 anyways we were doing. Now we also need to multiply the gain of A1. So it will be divided by A2 into A1. Why? Because if you consider this as whole system, so in order to nullify the output, we will apply certain input voltage. That input voltage will nullify directly the gain of, directly the output of the first stage. In the same process, this input voltage will get multiplied by gain A1 also. So now whatever input is being applied here, that is not only VOS, that is VOS into A1. So that's why if we are calculating the input referred offset voltage for whole system, it will come like this: V out divided by A1, which is the input referred offset voltage for this differential amplifier. And in addition to that, we will also add the input referred offset voltage for second stage, that will be equal to V out divided by gain of both the amplifiers. So this is the final answer. This is the answer of the questions which are asked in this question. I hope you must have understood some concept of amplifier through this question. If you found this question useful, please share with your friends. And if you are subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.